Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Move! There, guys, today we're here with a special one. A very, very special one. Let me take off my glasses. A special one. Yes. One is J Blunt and Danny English. So if you have followed the music, you know so we lose Danny English last week. Unfortunately, the G dropped out last week. So this is one of his last color that he done before he passed away. So Danny English is a veteran artist. If you don't know Danny English, I'm gonna remind her. You can meet me on the party, you can be my shawty, party's jumping all night long, running in the drop top, cruising in the Benz. Remember that song there? Yeah. So that is Danny English. Just type him in on YouTube. I want to see all them catalog. Bad artist. R.I.P. to a real G. So that one name Let's Go by J Blunt and Danny English. Let's Go. One of his last one. You understand? So condolences to the family of Danny English. Let's jump in the one and hear the legend did the office say them time there. J Blunt, Danny English, let's go.
J Blunt.
Yo.
You ready?
Lock and load.
Link up the dog, them round so and tell them to link it up, sir.
Rockford to Waltham to New York. Yeah.
Our big and stink, you smell it? See it and spread it.
Worldwide badness.
Yeah, the infamous voice. Here go.
Let's go for the cheddar. Yeah. Put that bad with us and make it with the brother. Yeah. They have the top. Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
What is the universal language? What is the universal language? Money, M-O-N-E-Y. Remember, guys, a link to this one will be a pin in the comment section. This will be pinned in the comment section. So go over there, go check out J Blunt channel. You understand? And type R.I.P. over there for Danny English. Same way. Yes, man. Represent.
J Blunt.
Yo.
You ready?
Lock and load.
Link up the dog, them round so and tell them to link it up, sir.
New rule of music. Come top. Why go?
Yeah.
Our big and stink,
Hey.
you smell it? See and then spread it.
Me smell it.
Worldwide badness.
Me smell it, man.
Big life.
New ruler.
Let's go for the cheddar. Yeah. Put that bad with us and make it with the brother.
Yeah.
Money have the topics on the street, you make me brother. How we not go without the quinger? Let's go.
Let's go.
If it's up bricks, palm bricks. Yeah. Matic palm my belly to take to that split. Pick up on the street and we know that shit. Enough to pay bad man flick. Let's
If
go.
you make the cash pocket of a full of stash, and we every gal I watch them, one give we punash, be my clean car wash, our lifestyle.
Oh, clap.
You ready?
Lock and load.
R.I.P. Danny English.
Link it up, sir.
Rockford to
Legend in
Waltham
this.
to New York.
All the people in the round, they ready for this.
You smell it?
Yeah,
See and then
smell
spread
it.
Worldwide badness.
Smell it.
Live.
New ruler.
Let's go.
Let's go for the cheddar. Yeah. Put that bad with us and make it with the brother. Yeah. Money have the topics on the street, you make me brother. How we not go without the quinger? Let's go. Ready for stop bricks, palm bricks. Yeah. Matic palm my belly to take to that split. We go on the street and we know that shit. Enough to pay bad man flick.
Let's
If
go.
you make the cash pocket of a full of stash, and we every gal I watch them, one give we punash, be my clean car wash, our lifestyle posh. It look like a lining when the Rolex flash. So we have to make the money, nothing not funny, you have me money running, you no flex like that.
What more can I do?
You ready?
Lock and load.
Link up the dog, them rounds and tell them to link it
Buckler,
up, sir.
Danny English, J Blunt, hey!
Yeah.
What a
Our
collab!
big and stink, you
Yeah.
smell it?
Yeah, man,
See
sniff it,
and then
sniff
spread
it.
it.
Worldwide badness.
Worldwide.
Live.
New ruler.
Let's go.
Let's go for the cheddar. Yeah. Put that bad with us and make it with the brother. Yeah. Money have the topics on the street, you make me brother. How we not go without the quinger? Let's go. Ready for
Level.
stop bricks, palm bricks.
Anybody don't like that song, you on a broke for life.
On the street.
You know one of riches. Universal language, what one?
Let's
If you make
go.
the cash pocket of a full of stash, and we every gal I watch them, one give we punash,
Yeah.
be my clean car wash, our lifestyle posh. It look like a lining when the Rolex flash. So we have to make the money, nothing not funny, you have me money running, you no flex like no dummy, you that days of his sunny, you take care of me mommy, yeah. Me dog them a millionaire, them turning up.
Let's go for the cheddar. Put that bad with us and make it with the brother. Money have the topics on the street, you make me brother. How we not go without the quinger?
Let's go.
Ready for stop bricks, pam bricks.
Yeah.
Matic pa me belly 32 that spit.
What?
We go on the street and we know that shit. Enough to pay bad man flick.
Let's go.
Because the light has a green now. We get in now, living the dream now. Dropping on the ice and making the cream now.
I remember one time when the light was red. Know what? The light part amber, the light they are green. We get in a green the light, they better green. I want to the dog a green the light that big up herself.
Living the dream now, dropping on the ice and making the cream now. Making dirty money so me dog them clean now. And I make money in a Spanish and English. All when we broke in our mind, man been rich. Escobar was the richest man in this more of the biggest house in the West Indies.
Let's go for the cheddar. Put that bad with us and me dead with the brother. Money at the top, it's on the street, it's me brother. How we not go road?
One more time for Danny English.
J-Blunt.
Big up yourself, J-Blunt.
Lick up the dog, them rounds and
Guys, you gotta check out that one in the man, please.
To Waltham to New York.
Support the G.
Our Olympic and stink, you smell it.
Keep Danny English name alive.
CNN spread it.
Worldwide badness.
Say
Big
it.
life.
New ruler.
Let's go.
Let's go for the cheddar. Put that bad with us and me dead with the brother. Money at the topics on the street, you makes me brother. How we not go without the quenga? Let's go. Ready for stop bricks, pam bricks. Matic pa me belly 32 that split. We go on the street and we know that shit. Enough to pay bad man flick.
Let's go.
The cash pocket of a full of stash. And we every gal I watch them. One give we punish. Come a clean car wash. Our lifestyle posh. It look like a lining when the Rolex flash. So we have to make the money. Nothing no funny. You have me money ready. You no flex like no dummy. Your dark days of his sunny. You take care of me mommy.
Yo, the man say all dark days of his sunny. Take care of mommy. Universal. Let's go.
Yeah, you have me money running, you no flex like no dummy. Your dark days of his sunny, you take care of me mommy. Me dog them a millionaire, them Tony.
Let's go for the cheddar. Put that bad with us and me dead with the brother.
Yeah.
Money at the topics on the street, you makes me brother. How we not go without the quenga?
Let's go.
Ready for stop bricks, pam bricks. Matic pa me belly 32 that spit. We go on the street and we know that shit. Enough to pay bad man flick.
Let's go.
Because the light has a green now. We get in now, living the dream now. Dropping on the ice and making the cream now. Making dirty money so me dog them clean now. And I make money in a Spanish and
Yeah, that play parody, them making dirty money. So my dogs them clean. Dirty, clean, get it? Yeah.
making the cream now. Making dirty money so me dog them clean now. And I make money in a Spanish and English. All when we broke in our mind, man been rich.
We not just make one currency. Who no want no money? Who no for dead? Who no for dead? Who no like poverty? No money we say. Making money in our Spanish and English. Not English, you know. English.
You know, and I make money in a Spanish and English. All when we broke in our mind, man been rich. Escobar was the richest man in this more of the biggest house in the West Indies.
Let's go for the cheddar. Put that bad with us and me dead with the brother. Money at the topics on the street, you makes me brother. How we not go without the quenga?
Let's go.
Ready for stop bricks, pam bricks.
Yeah.
Matic pa me belly 32 that spit.
Yeah.
We go on the street and we know that shit. Enough to pay bad man flick. Let's go. Money in a duffel, put the hustle to the tussle. 20 and nothing me, I tell you that me cousin. We have
Buckler. Danny get a verse too. Hold on.
we go on the street and we know that shit. Enough to pay bad man flick. Let's go. Money in a duffel, put the hustle to the tussle. 20 and nothing me, I tell you that me cousin. We have the brick, we have the cash, and we have the muscle. Man, we have to smooth, we have to cool, we have to subtle. Shake the money tree now. Money no.
The man say we have to smooth, we have to cool, we have to shuttle. So, we have to subtle, so you can't get jiggy when you make the money and make everybody know say you make money. You have to get silent richness, the boss say.
Jamaica's worst.
Put the hustle to the tussle. 20 and nothing me, I tell you that me cousin. We have the brick, we have the cash, and we have the muscle. Man, we have to smooth, we have to cool, we have to subtle. Shake the money tree now. Money enough. I'll pose a year from now, we can't broke. All over the world, so we have shop set up.
Yeah, the man say all 1,000 years from this, can't broke, that name generation wealth. So even though the G job fresh, the G name still a live on in multiple business them, with a multiple kids them. R.I.P. Danny.
So drugs drop off, so the cash it pick up. I'll show account when nobody can touch. Now lose everything, life and clue, cause
Blood
Jamaica's worst.
Now lose everything like Frank Lucas. So guess what? He might have some of my money them. Offshore account. Taxman, catch me if you can. Gone, me gone.
Jamaica's worst game. Offshore account when nobody can touch. Now lose everything like Frank Lucas. Before so, everybody would have dead first. Where you say? Everybody would have dead first. Dre Blunt tell the dog make good jump off. If him reach near find a hotel lock off. Me no kingpin, me a real la boss. Anyway you see me pass, millions we cross. Let's go for the cheddar. Yeah. Put that bad brother, say me dead with the brother. Yeah. Money of the topics on the street, image my brother. And we not go roll without the quenga.
Let's go.
Ready for stop bricks, bomb bricks. Matic from my belly, 32 that split. We go on the street, them fi know that shit. Enough to pay Batman flick. Let's go.
Oh, what to say about that one, dog? Big up J Blunt. R.I.P. Danny English. Condolences, me G. That one a bad. That one a bad. That one a go places, dog. If you don't believe like I believe in this one, please go down in the comment section and click on the link and go over him channel. First of all, pay respect to Danny English over there. Tell him R.I.P. R.I.P. to a real general. And big up J Blunt. Yes, this is one of Danny English's last collab before he sadly passed. I understand? So I've just showed the G the respect in the right way. Yes. So Danny English, R.I.P. R.I.P. boss. J Blunt, big up yourself, keep on doing it. New Ruler, big up yourself. Yes, New Ruler Music. But not forget the production team and dog. You mad? Salute! Let me know what you guys think about this one though. I'll catch you guys in the comment section. Let's go. What a voice.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.